Hey everybody, what's going on? And welcome to Rey Starz Reaction. So today we are going to react to Fleur De Mai by Gerald Dupervil. Okay, so Fleur De Mai means Mayflower. Okay, like a flower that blooms in May, Mayflower. And this is to me the most beautiful song out of Haiti. No, 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 no. I misspoke. This is one of the most beautiful songs in the world. Okay. This man has a golden voice. And you hear this song and you're like, wow, amazing. This is like one of those songs, like the first time you hear it, I mean, to me, you remember this song. Yeah. So this, you are going to love this. Okay. So let's get started. And by the way, I had to edit some visuals for this one just so you can get a gist of what this is about. This is about Mayflowers. Okay. So yeah, so I put this little edit together. The most beautiful song in the world. Let's get into it. All right. Fleur de Mai by Gerald Dupervil.
Mes fleurs de mai, le printemps rassemble des voix pour bercer de chansons nos tendresses. Mais la fleur des caresses, déjà je veux dans le soir tes grands yeux noirs. Mes fleurs de mai, je voudrais me griser de toi jusqu'au bout de l'ivresse, jusqu'à l'aube. Dans les plis de ta robe, enfermer toutes les chansons de la saison. Je te propose les sentiers près du ciel, tous les baisers, ces feuilles tout corps à fou. Je te propose 1000 sentiers éternels où nos voeux brillent de flancs du jour. Je te dédie mes soupirs d'autrefois, tous mes chagrins et toutes mes joies. L'ombre t'attend, fleur de mai, viendras-tu au rendez-vous des promesses du printemps?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I almost did not stop this song because it's so beautiful, yeah? So, Gerald Dupervil, he took this one, like what we used to call the big bands, like from the 50s and the 60s, to the next level, right? It was called Super Jazz Station. And because of his voice, this guy took it to the next level. But anyway, this is one of those superstars out of Haiti. This guy was really famous. But unfortunately, I have to say, when before he passed away, he went through some hard time because, like most artists cannot make a living with their artwork. Yeah. They're artists. And as time goes by, people do not appreciate you. And this is what happened to this guy, like in Haiti. It's like he was one of the best. But again, this song is just one. This is just one of the songs that he produced. And, he was really associated with the accordion, but this guy was multi-talented. He could play everything. Yeah. I mean, arranger, producer, he could do everything. But again, as time went by, he went through some hard times in the 80s. But anyway, to me, I think there's about like 195 countries in the world, and each country has one of the most beautiful songs out of that country. Okay, so let's say there's 195, the world most beautiful songs. And to me, in Haiti, this is one of them. So do me a favor. Tell me which country you're from and which song you think is the best, most beautiful song out of your country. Okay? Again, Gerald Dupervil, Fleur De Mai. To me, the most beautiful song out of Haiti. If another Haitian out there is thinking I'm wrong, please comment below. Tell me which one you think is the most beautiful song. But to me, this is it. Okay? I don't want to hold you for too long. Let's get back into it. Gerald Dupervil, Fleur De Mai, meaning Mayflower.
Je te propose les sentiers près du ciel, où les baisers s'effeuillent au carrefour. Je te propose 1000 sentiers éternels, où nos voeux brillent tout flanc du jour. Je te dédie mes soupirs d'autrefois, tous mes chagrins et toutes mes joies. L'ombre t'attend, fleur de mai, viendras-tu au rendez-vous des promesses du printemps?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I think that, this is one artist that should get his recognition even after he passed away. Out of Haiti, we have a lot of great talents. We have Shubu, for, I mean, you name it. We should support those guys while they're alive. You know what I mean? Yeah, so it's not like when they passed away, it's like, oh yeah, Timano was the greatest. Timano was one of the greatest, I gotta tell you. But yes, this is Gerald Dupervil, one of the greatest golden voice Haitian singer. Please go like with a deep dive and learn about Gerald Dupervil for yourself. Okay, and then buy this album. This is one of the songs like when a friend comes over, you just like put it on. You don't have to say anything, okay? They might be Italian, you name it. Play it, and then that is a conversation starter. It's like, what is this? Oh, you don't know? This is Gerald Dupervil. All right? Yeah. Thanks a lot. As always, please like and subscribe. I'm very happy to bring you anything out of the Caribbean, like the French Caribbean songs. This is the place to be. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the love you guys are sending to me. Again, see you on the next one. Peace out. Rey Starz.